How to import contacts into HubSpot. Welcome to this tutorial on importing contacts into HubSpot, a powerful marketing and sales platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of importing contacts into HubSpot, making it easier for you to manage your customer relationships and stay organized. To get started, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the Contacts tab. From there, click on the Import button to begin the import process. You can import contacts from various sources, including CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, and even other HubSpot accounts. To import contacts from a CSV file, simply click on the Import from CSV button and select the file you want to upload. Make sure to format your CSV file correctly with the contact information in the correct columns. You can also use HubSpot's built-in CSV template to help guide you through the import process. Alternatively, you can import contacts from an Excel spreadsheet by clicking on the Import from Excel button. This method allows you to import contacts with ease, even if you're not familiar with CSV files. Once you've selected the import method, HubSpot will guide you through the process of mapping the columns and importing the contacts. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your contact list. After the import process is complete, you'll be able to view your contacts in the HubSpot interface. You can then use the contacts to create new leads, manage existing relationships, and track customer interactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HubSpot tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next video.